It's a wonderful day, traders. Once again, we are back with another episode, even today, of minimizing losses and maximizing profits. Our numbers are really encouraging this week. It's been really a long week, and I'm really tempted just to take all my profits right now and run away. But I don't know. Otherwise, I'm really tempted right now just to shut everything off. After all, it's a Friday. It's been a long week, so I'm just going to do a recap of what we've been doing this week and how we've been analyzing in the market. So yesterday I posted a video about using the order blocks to make our entries. So the first thing that I said was that you go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you check on the action of price that week, so where price is going. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that okay, price has been consolidating, because if you check very well here, now that we look at this bigger picture, do you see that price has just been not exceeding this limit and not exceeding this limit, whereas you can see it's a clear trend when we are taking it from here. So price was going down there, but when it got here, because this is the 4-hour time frame, remember, so on the 4-hour time frame, so you can notice that price did go down, but when it got here, it just kept on being in this place over here. So let's go to the daily time frame and check, so that you can see. So you can see that price is really consolidating also on the daily time frame, because we are just stuck at this region over here. You can see that price did try to come up, and there was a lot of competition between buyers and sellers. That's the reason why we've got such candles. Now price tried to go up, but the next day price was going down. So today price is just like that. So it's not really a good place for a trader. That's why I always encourage people not to do any trades or not to make any entries when it comes to price consolidation, because that area really you wouldn't be making much profits. So let's just take on the chart. Let's go for Euro USD and check how things are going over there. So on Euro USD, this is the daily time frame. You can see that price, so let me just zoom back. So you can see that price started off at this point, and price has been going down drastically, but now price is also stuck here at this point, and you can see that over here price was also stuck. So guys, let's go to the 15-minute time frame and see if we can make any entries at that point. So remember, today I didn't put any indicators right now. I'm going to make an example using the indicators, but for now I didn't include them because I just wanted to show you guys on a few tricks here before we can talk much on other things. So this is the 15-minute time frame, and yesterday we had made examples of what happens in the chart. So we said after price has been going down, or after you notice a downtrend of price, you are going to come and check where there is a possible reversal. So after there is a possible reversal, what you are going to do is that you are just going to place this order block, which is quite visible over here. So you're going to place this order block like this one. So after placing the order block, what you are going to do is you are going to look at this point where there was a turning point of price, and the anticipation is that price, after it touches that level, it's going to go up, and it's going to come and retest that level, and it's going to go up and come back and retest before it can take off. Now it didn't really come to touch the order block, but there was a retest of price. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so that you can see. So now you can clearly see that price did come here, it came to retest price, and it did come again here to retest that level. So it did retest twice before it could take off like it did over here. So now you can see there is a clear upward movement of price over there. So that was the theory that we were talking about yesterday, and we made a lot of examples about it, that you can see price has been going down drastically as it was doing here. So price was going down, and there was a possible shift at this point down here. So this was the possible shift where price now was changing course, and we said the implication is that when price begins to go up, what we are going to do is that we are going to mark the last step before price took off. So the last one, I'm going to use this one. So that was the last step before price took off. And because I'm trying to make it possible so that everybody can see this thing, and then we said price is going to come and retest that order block before price takes off the second time. So let's just look at this one so you can see price at this point here. So price went up and came down to retest, and it went up and it came down to retest again before it took off. So now let's see if price really took off. Now it's quite visible. Price did take off, although now it's on a lower zoom level. So price did take off there, and because this is the 15-minute time frame, and you know it's all about quick profits and it's all about getting quick money, so we don't really have to hold for so long unless you did like me. Because remember, I said on Wednesday I placed these trades this side, and right now it's Friday and we still have them, although I'm really tempted. So once again, we said this one, price turning point here at this level, and then we said the price has to come and retest that last order block. So price did come to retest the last order block, remember. So you can see price going down and price coming to retest, price going down again, and price coming to retest before it can take off. So let's see if it did take off exactly like it did. Remember, these were our marked points. So price came to retest there and price came to retest again, and after that the price just kept going down. So that is how simple our strategy for yesterday was. And then on the other day, I spoke about using the RSI and the envelopes, of course, and then someone was asking for the settings. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to come to the relative strength index, and we're going to enter period 1, apply to close, make it white 1 pixel, and for the levels you are going to be using 90, 80, 20, 10, and these ones you just have to make them 4 pixel and make them black. And the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to click save, and we are going to now come to indicator window 1 on the F function there. So click indicator window 1 and come to the envelopes. Then for the envelopes, enter period 2, shift 0, deviation 0.000, method smoothed, apply to close. The upper band make it 3 pixel red, and the lower band make it 1 pixel blue, because we don't really need that one. So click save. After that, now we've got the relative strength index and we've got the envelopes. So now on the envelopes, we say that we wait for price to come and hit the 90 line level, which is at that point we were just using a few minutes ago. And then we said after price touches the 90 line level, we are going to wait for price to come and hit the 80 line level. So after price hitting the 80 line level, which is at this point just here, so it's just at that point over here, and we are going to now look for a bearish engulfing candle before we can place our entries. And we really did have a bearish engulfing candle like it did over here. So we had a very good bearish engulfing candle here, and then that is how we're going to enter our sell entry. And for a buy entry, we said we wait for price to come and touch the 10 line level like it did just here. So price touching the 10 line level over here, and when price gets to the 20 line level, which is any place around here, we are going to look for a bullish engulfing candle. So just going to zoom in and look for a bullish engulfing candle. Thus we've got quite a number of them, so we can just use this one, or we can just use this one. After all, we've got a bullish engulfing candles over there. So that is how we enter our buy entries. Otherwise guys, it's been a wonderful week. Things have been really good and I'm happy, and I think I'm just making up my mind right now. So I'm just going to go to bulk operations, and I'm going to close all positions, and we are good for the week. So let's meet on Monday and open up to other amazing strategies. Otherwise guys, this has been really a good week. I'm happy. See you guys next time. Take care.